Hi superstars! Today I'll be giving you an update on palm oil business in Nigeria and palm oil storage business in Nigeria. I'll be telling you the current price of palm oil and the current price of jerry cans and materials you need for palm oil storage business in Nigeria. So if you're thinking of starting palm oil storage business in Nigeria or palm oil business, then this video is for you. Okay, my superstars. So we are few months, or should I say few weeks away from palm oil storage business in Nigeria. We are few weeks away from that time of the year when the price of palm oil drops. Okay, so many people have been asking me, when is it going to drop? When is it going to drop? My superstars, I don't know the exact time. That's why I'm here to give you updates on palm oil price in Nigeria. Before now, we used to estimate, we used to know when it's going to drop exactly, we'll predict and it will fall. But lately, due to trends of things happening, it is quite unfortunate that we can't. Before now, we used to know that the price of palm oil will not go to as high as 60,000 naira, 59,000 naira by this time of the year. But hey, just as at now, okay, last week it sold as high as that, okay, and things have changed a lot. So in this video I'll be telling you current trends, what's happening, price of jerrycans, price of palm oil, and things you need to do in order to get prepared for palm oil storage business. All right, so let's get started. First, if you have not started preparing your storage facility, then now is the right time. Go and start preparing your storage facility, your materials you need to start palm oil storage business. Everything you need has to be in place. Okay, my superstars, if you've not gotten your jerry cans or drums or other materials, now is the time to get started. Okay, before now, if you had done palm oil business, if you had bought palm oil to store and the palm oil was bad, go and start preparing your jerry cans. You need to wash those jerry cans. Okay, you can't store a new and freshly milled palm oil in an old jerry can. It will contaminate the new palm oil. Okay, you can't store a new wine in an old jerry can. It will spoil the whole thing. So you have to go and start preparing that jerry can. Okay, my superstars, all you need to do is to boil hot water. Okay, if not hot that will like melt the jerry can, but make sure it's hot enough to melt oil. Okay, then you pour in detergent into that jerry can and then you shake it. You shake it till all the oil in the jerry can is completely gone off. Okay, and also you use water and rinse it thoroughly and make sure it dries up. Okay, so if you had used your jerry can to buy palm oil before now and it was bad, go and wash that jerry can in preparation for storage. All right, my superstars. So lots of people are still worried if the price of palm oil is going to drop. Yes, it will drop, but definitely not like last year. You'll witness that lots of things have increased in price, okay, and people need to keep the price of palm oil and all their goods to be able to catch up and afford other foodstuffs. So it may not be as low as last year. Nevertheless, the price of palm oil will drop. Okay, and that's why I'm here to keep giving you updates on price of palm oil every week. Okay, like on this channel, every Monday I ensure I drop updates on the current price of palm oil, as this will guide you on how to buy palm oil for the week. Okay, and should there be a sudden drop, I'll also ensure I tell you on this channel. So if you have not turned on your notification bell, if you have not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever there's an update, because anything can happen at any time and I decide to show up here and tell you. All right, my superstars, so this is the best place you can get the latest news on what's happening in palm oil business. All right, so before now I had told you not to buy jerry cans, that the price was going to drop. Usually it drops, but I got information that it was not going to drop. And few few videos before now, I told people to start buying their jerry cans, that there's every possibility it was not going to drop. So today I've come to inform you that if you did not buy your jerry cans, my superstars, go and buy your jerry cans. Go and buy your jerry cans, because there's every possibility that few weeks from now it's going to increase to as high as 5,500 naira or even 6,000 naira for a jerry can. I'm not saying it should happen, but who knows? Because as at today in the market, okay, sorry, as at Saturday when I was at the market to find out the current price, palm jerrycans was going for 4,800 naira, and I saw very few. And today that I went to the market to check on jerrycans, the yellow jerrycans, I couldn't find them in large quantities. Okay, all right. So I don't know if they are deliberately trying to hoard these jerrycans so as to increase the price or sell it when it's high, or there's actually scarcity of jerry cans. So my superstars, if you have it available in your location, please go ahead and buy them, because there's every chance there's going to be an increase in the price of jerry cans. And I'm also worried about people, because the price of jerry cans right now is so high. As at this time of the year, it's usually goes for like 3,000 naira, but 4,800 naira is so high for beginners. I wonder how beginners are going to start. So if you have an idea of where we can get good jerry cans at affordable rate, okay, or at wholesale prices, please let me know in the comment section. Okay, so many people want to know where they can get it at an affordable rate. Please write it in the comment section so that others can learn as well. Okay, this will help so many people who are desperately looking out for places to buy affordable jerry cans. I wish I knew, I would have told you. Okay, so I'm throwing it out here for anyone who knows to write it out in the comment section so that others can see as well. All right, thank you very much. Okay, so that brings us to the price of palm oil. The price of palm oil as at last week was between 60,000 naira to 59,000 naira, but this week it has reduced to 58,500 naira. Okay, we are still watching. We are watching. Some time ago, I said that the price of palm oil fluctuates. It is not constant. It goes up, it comes down, it goes up, it comes down. Okay, but nevertheless, it will drop to that price where so many people can afford to do storage. But like I said, it will not be as low as last year. You have to keep an open mind on a benchmark whereby when you hear, you will buy and store. Okay, my superstars, only smart people will store palm oil this year. Only people who know how to take smart decisions, spot on decisions, will be able to sell palm oil this year. Okay, my superstars, so watch out. I'll be dropping updates on this channel from time to time so you can get to know when to buy palm oil and store. All right, have you given me a thumbs up? Please like this video, as this will encourage me to keep giving you updates. It means you love this kind of content, okay, and it will encourage me to bring more like this. All right, my superstars, and if you have not subscribed, hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any notification. All right, thank you for watching, my superstars. I appreciate every one of you. Thank you. Till our next video, always and always remember that I love you. Bye, superstars.